Hello.
Algae? Leaves?
I don't know.
A park? That must be algae or some kind of big leaf. Lily pad.
Hey doggies.
That is algae.
I'm taking an HD video. So going on Facebook and YouTube too.
There's broken trees in the water.
Wow. Broken trees in the water.
Washing down the river. Gonna flood things up. Back it up. Hey, Kev, falling in. Photographer. Going overboard.
Let's go to our mosque. Yeah. A broken tree.